Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today was a good day. The weekend was a good weekend. Many of you all got free downloads, free watch faces, and we got more freebies to come. Listen, I enjoy you guys. Thank you for being supportive of the channel. And with that, let's go ahead and kick off Monday's review. All right, you all, we got an awesome watch face to check out, so stay tuned. The review is coming right up. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we're going to take a look at a super awesome watch face by a super awesome developer. Do not sleep on her work. She definitely gets down on watch faces. Now, the name of this one is going to be called Turbo Digital. The name that the developer is going up under is called My Gallery, just in case you want to go check her lineup in the Gear Manager store. Now, I'm liking this. This is analog versus digital. This is an animated watch face, but let's talk about in the always on mode. I'm liking this look. Very unique, very different for this watch face. I'm loving it. But when it's on, I'm liking the character. I'm liking the design. Definitely, I like this trio of animated parts that's moving around within the watch, and they're all functional. They look good, and you get a digital 24-hour time to go with the analog look. Looks very nice. Now, I don't know why the second hand isn't moving, but that is not a deal breaker for me. You'll get the days of the week right here. You'll get your month right here, and I'm liking the index. So this is definitely a classy looking watch piece. Can you wear this dressing up? Depending on what you got on, I think you can get away with it. Now, you get your battery meter right here as well. This is truly a great look. I'm liking the design. You get your date over here. The developer did an awesome job. Also, if I double tap, I can change the color. Now it gives it almost a totally different look to a degree. The colors are very beautiful and vibrant. You got to see this in person. I'm telling you, cycle through all of them. Now that's my favorite. That is my favorite. You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Me personally, I'm saying that it's worth the download. I recommend this watch face. Okay, you all, I hope you enjoyed the review. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.